Welcome back guys, this is yet another wonderful episode from Techie Spot, and in this video, we bring you some amazing gadgets that are worth buying. Be sure to watch this video till the end, so you won't miss any of these gadgets. Before we proceed, give this video a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next video. Now, let's go. Techie Spot, your #1 tech channel. Binary Matrix LED Digital Watch. If you're looking for something cool to upgrade your style, you'll probably love to wear this amazing watch. This is an unusual LED watch featuring a classic designs. It's simple and stylish, and at the same time, it's very accurate in timing. It has two lines of LED display, one for hours, and one for minutes, and as well, it also displays dates, and the LED lights suit very well in dark places, and in low light conditions. Its durable panel is curved to fit any size of wrist, and it comes in 3 colors, gold, silver, and black. It's an amazing stylish watch to upgrade your style. Multi-grip Bionic Arm. Here comes a smart and powerful Bionic Arm, made for those who are eager to be a Superman, and those who are big fans of Star Wars. This amazing Bionic Arm is a perfect example of advanced technology, and it's shaped to fit into the arm of anybody using 3D scanning. It comes with a comfortable and adjustable socket, to make it easy to put on and off, and it supports 6 different grips, making it useful for various tasks, and also, while using it, it gives you feedback on its performance through its special beepers. All its functions ranges from making a breakfast to petting of dogs, and it can lift up to 17.7 pounds easily and comfortably, and it can even be used by children under age. Smart Warm Insoles. If you're going for fishing or hiking, or you work in a very cold environment, or you just love having a long winter walk, you really need to get this gadget. With this smart insoles, your feet will never get cold again, and you'll never have to complain about cold environment. It comes with a special app, which you can use to set its temperature to suit your condition. It also features an ergonomic design that supports and suits your blood flow. It's perfect for fitness activities, and it can accurately collect data about your health, from number of burnt calories to the amount of starch and sugar level. It's compact and lightweight, so you can put it to any shoes you like. You can simply charge it by plugging the USB cable that's included in the box, and it lasts up to 8 hours on a single charge. It's perfect for cold environment. Shower Bluetooth speaker. Looking for a smart, compact, and durable speaker that's comfortable for outdoor use? Then take a look at this gadget. It's a small Bluetooth speaker that's very durable and resistant to water, dust, snow, and all harsh weather conditions. It has an LED light which lights up in the dark, making it amazing. It has a powerful stereo that plays your perfect sound, and it can also record sound when set to record mode. Its powerful battery can last up to a day on a single charge, and you can easily clip or attach it to your backpack when you're on the go. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. Enterprise spaceship with remote control. Here comes an amazing gadget for Star Trek fans. This is a real replica of the Enterprise spaceship, and it comes with a limited edition. But the amazing thing is that it actually flies. This drone uses quad-core technology with gyro stabilization, so, no need for special skills or training if you're a beginner. You'll be a master pilot in just a few simple clicks. This package comes with a 2.4 GHz controller, and a display stand which gives you a better position to take off. It also supports some special maneuvering and drive mode to make you a pro. Fireflies light up playing cards. Tired of traditional card tricks? Here comes a more advanced and impressive playing cards, for modern-day magicians. These cards comes with a special bright LED lights, making them brighter in the dark, and they're specifically adapted for easy learning, easier than the traditional old cards. The cards can be either green or blue color. The charging case is included in the package, and they can last longer on a single charge. Just press the button to activate them, and you're ready for some tricks. Lumi Keys Portable MIDI Controller. Looking for a way to learn keyboard easily? Then this gadget is specifically made for you. This is a portable MIDI controller, specially designed for those who wish to learn keyboard. It's compact and lightweight, and does not occupy much space, so you can carry it along anywhere you go. It comes with a special app which support you in learning, and gives you more advanced options. Its bright keys assists you even in the dark, and you can also add extra keys in case you want. Create the perfect beat for your music. ROLI Lightpad Block, Beatmaker tool. This is yet another wonderful beatmaker for beginners and pro musicians. It allows maximum expressions through its 5D touch technology. You can easily use it with a smart detection level, and its LED lights provide you with visual effects. You can easily set the Lightpad's projects, configure beats, mix and add effects. It comes with a pro-level desktop software, which you can use to achieve more configurations, and it's compatible with both Windows, Mac, and iOS devices. In addition, you can expand your workspace by adding an extra controller. This is the perfect gadget you need for modern beat making. If you have viewed up to this extent, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next amazing gadgets. DIY Mobile Phone Kit. Looking for something amazing that you can do on your own? Then you should probably take a look at this portable DIY phone. It comes with a package which includes the panel, the casing, and everything you need to configure it your own way, and when the phone is ready, you can use the desktop software to fill in all the functionalities, including apps and games. You can use the phone for calls, messages, multimedia, games, and lots more. You can even plug in headphones to listen to music. It's amazing, and it's a phone made by you. Halluc 2 Future Vehicle. Alright guys, this is our last gadget for today's video. This is actually a future vehicle, and it has 3 different modes: vehicle, insect, and animal. It looks more like a crab, and it's equipped with special motors that ensures fast and smooth movements. Most important feature of this gadget is that it has special mechanism that allows it to climb stairs on its own, while balancing automatically, and it's perfectly adapted for traveling over any kind of surface. It's amazing, and it's a perfect replica of a future vehicle. That's it all for this video guys, thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next amazing gadgets. Please share this video with your friends,